Alright, hello, welcome back to part 4 of my video series. So basically we want to make this part here of the gun. So I'll not waste much time. Get a disc, create a disc from here, drag it from this side. So what I'm going to do is I'll make sure it fits in here, making sure it's on the middle. So I'll fit it right here and open up the numeric panel. So I'll get this value here, I'll copy it and come paste it right here. So I'll have a circle that's equal on all sides, and let me just drag it, say right here. I'll move it down and I'll leave it here. So push space on the keyboard, make sure in polygon mode select this this cylinder, cut, let's take it in another layer, paste, Ctrl V, and I'll move close. So I'll just delete these faces, this one here delete, and the other this side delete. I'll select these faces on top. I will delete these as well, change this to texture wired. Let's see what we have. Push A on the keyboard to fit everything, then I'll select, make sure in point mode, select these corners. Let me just zoom. Right, then push P on the keyboard, so we have one face like that, and I'll just turn on half of my layer, the other one. So here, let's see what we have. So I'll select this face here, make sure you are in polygon mode, push E for extender, T to move, and I'll move it up to this level, space and deselect. And let's see, does it look straight? Oh, we'll need to, let's just zoom in here, push H on the keyboard, make sure you're on selection and just expand. Yep, that looks amazing. And we zoom in, so there's no need for me to start recreating this thing. I'll just copy and paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, then push R twice on the keyboard, T to move and move it up. Remember, it's supposed to be within this, behind this thing. So I'll keep it there and deselect. In edge mode, I'll select this edge and pull it up like that. Deselect, space on the keyboard and the question mark. So now I can hold down shift and just turn on that, so we see what we have. Oh yeah, we're getting somewhere. So here it's touching and here it's also touching. So what I'm gonna do is move close, detail, edit edges, and I will cut right here and also cut on top right here, and also cut here, here, and here, right there, and also right here. So save on the keyboard. So the reason why I deleted some of those points at first was because I didn't want to go through merging a lot of points, creating too many points. Just deleted those faces, by the way. And what I'm going to do now is make sure you're in point mode and start selecting points going clockwise like this and pushing P to fill up these gaps. All right, let me just go in front. So here, for me not to have a lot of problems, I will start from here and we'll go down, P on the keyboard. I'll do the same thing for this one here, It's better to start with the ones on the middle because you might have a problem trying to look inside the whole thing. So just remember going clockwise. And there we go, P. Okay, let me work on this one as well. P. And now to close these, P here. Okay, let's go to the other side and P. So for some, like here, I know I have a face, but I can't see, it doesn't look like there's a face, so you just select and then push F on the keyboard to flip that face. Same thing here, F to flip that face. If you have any, so for those, it simply means you went the other way. All right, so, and well, I would have been worried closing up these, just so we are clear, just closing up these, I would have been worried, but I don't think anyone will actually see this because it will be inside. Same thing with the other side, so I'll just leave it open. See, there'll be something at the end here. So we just do this. And what I've noticed is this one is actually shorter. So I'll go in edge mode, select this, drag it in like that, save, and we have that section of the gun. Dun, dun, dun. All right, let me just go in texture, see what I have. Okay, I'm getting somewhere. Remember, we said we are going to make it low poly, so yeah, doing it the low poly style. Want the edges. All right, so catch me in part 5 as I add more detail to this.